Would you desire to be the first millionaire in your family? It's considerably easy than most people believe. Most people did not grow up in a wealthy family. Your parents were probably stressed enough about paying bills, and they never had any extra money. Everything they brought in was gone almost as soon as it arrived. They most likely used phrases like money doesn't grow on trees or money isn't everything. That does not need to be you. You have the opportunity to be the first wealthy and successful member of your family. You don't have to worry about paying all of your expenses, and you don't have to instill bad financial habits in your children. By taking actionable efforts now, you may be exceedingly well off in the not-too-distant future. Implementing these tips can help you become your family's first millionaire. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. When it comes to adopting financial advice from random online influencers, use extreme caution. When evaluating advice from self-proclaimed gurus who stress that purchasing their courses or anything else they're trying to sell is necessary for wealth creation, proceed with care. The reality is that assuming this is an easy way to succeed is often impractical, deceptive, and unreasonable. It is quite easy for judgment to be confused by the prospect of an easy path to riches, but it is vital to keep a clear perspective. Understand that great financial success is rarely obtained by shortcuts. Instead of succumbing to the pressures of quick gratification, consider investing your finances and time in more stable endeavors. 3 out of 4 millionaires believe that regular, consistent investing over a long period of time is critical to their success. By conducting your own research and creating your own perspective about wealth creation, you can discover tried and proven strategies that have produced numerous millionaires in the long run. A monotonous, dependable method is likely to produce more sustainable, authentic, and long-term results. Getting a good start and continuously investing your money are critical components of wealth growth. Procrastination is the cunning villain in this scenario, waiting around the corner to ruin your efforts to earn wealth. I'm young. I don't need to worry about that yet. Or I know I should. I'll get around to it are prevalent beliefs that are jeopardizing your financial security. What's the magic formula? Start early and keep the investing momentum rolling. The critical step is to overcome procrastination and grasp that time is your most powerful ally when it comes to accumulating riches with little effort. The sooner you start, the longer your money has to work its magic through the force of compounding. Don't underestimate the power of even modest amounts. Whether you're working with a large quantity or just a few bucks, the most important step is to save as much as you can. Consider this. Every time a few additional dollars enter your wallet, resist the impulse to spend them frivolously. Instead, transfer the monies directly to your savings and investing accounts. It's like planting seeds, which eventually blossom into a financial garden. Consistency is key. When you continually invest tiny sums, the compounding effect kicks in, resulting in a snowball effect of wealth building. This strategy does not entail making significant sacrifices or allocating large sums of money. It's about making it a habit to put any excess money you have into assets with the potential to compound and increase. The trick is to allow time and the power of compounding to work for you. Make a goal of saving $50 to $100 per week. Starting out, this may appear to be a big endeavor, but the path to financial stability begins with the smallest actions. It doesn't take much to start. In reality, starting small allows you to create the habit of regular saving and understand the fundamentals of investing without jeopardizing a huge sum of money, especially if you're struggling to make ends meet. It is critical to have a resourceful mindset and research every option until you reach the point when saving $50 or $100 becomes a regular habit. If you're barely getting by, you should do whatever it takes to get there. Make it a priority to save this every week without fail. This will instill the habit of saving money. Shift your perspective from spending every cent to finding methods to save, and you'll start to see the benefits of your efforts in the shape of a rising nest egg. Consider the following question. How can I start investing even if I'm broke right now? Examine your spending habits and identify expenses that are unnecessary or can be eliminated. Often, what you think to be a perfectly fair buy is the exact opposite from an outside perspective. Examine your daily or monthly spending to identify areas where you might save money for your future investing portfolio. Whether it's giving up unnecessary purchases, canceling subscriptions you rarely use, or discovering cheaper alternatives, there are virtually always areas where you can redirect your money toward expanding your investments. Make wise decisions, even if they're modest, and begin your investment adventure, regardless of how much money you have available. It is a commonly known fact that practically everyone spends time in their daily routine on activities that offer little to no value to their life. These seemingly harmless habits, such as binge-watching TV shows, continuously scrolling through social media feeds, or casually sipping on adult beverages, can all have a negative impact on your quality of life. To make matters worse, we frequently underestimate the cumulative impact of these practices until we discover we've lost valuable time, all consumed by one activity. Imagine if you could regain even a fraction of that time and devote it to something that not only adds value, but has the potential to improve your life. Replace one or two of these time-consuming behaviors, and you'll have the ideal opportunity to spend time doing something constructive. Instead of being glued to your device, devote some time to creating a side hustle or learning a new skill. Creating a side hustle does not have to fill your entire waking day. A little time here, and there is all that is required. You might even find yourself enjoying it. These options have the ability to not only improve your personal growth and fulfillment, but also pave the door for increased revenue. Break free from underestimating time drains and grasp the opportunity to use your time for something you'll appreciate later. In 3 to 6 months, you can generate a whole new source of income. Even if it doesn't seem like a big deal, resolving to save and invest $50 to $100 every week can completely transform your life. The earlier and more consistent you are with this, and the sooner you stop procrastinating, the sooner you will be able to enjoy the benefits. Consider how time is passing away, time that could be used to power your financial freedom. Those random hours spent on social media will not be recovered. However, if you can divert even a small percentage of them wisely, your chances of success increase dramatically. Following these guidelines will put you on the way to becoming the first millionaire in your family. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?